Hi, good afternoon, good evening, good morning to everyone wherever you are. My name is Vivian Nomalanga Bhebhe. So I'm a Zimbabwean based in Israel since 2017. So what happened is we woke up yesterday to sirens. That was because we were being attacked, like rockets were being fired from Gaza. So it was a normal Saturday, just like any Shabbat. People are resting on Shabbat here. So only to wake up yesterday to sirens and boom, boom sounds of iron domes intercepting rockets. So what happened is the Hamas, which is the terrorist organization based in Gaza, the one that's always fighting Israel, decided to surprise the Israel Defense Forces yesterday morning. It was unprecedented. Like normally what they do is they fire rockets from that side. But what they did yesterday, they did not only fire the rockets, but I believe they fired the rockets after already they were already inside Israel. Like there are two towns bordering Lebanon and Gaza. Well, Gaza is a small, I don't know if I can say a small town in Palestine. I guess those who knows South Africa and Lesotho, it's that type of thing whereby it's a country in a country with a population of 2 million people, I believe. So what they did yesterday, they came in like into those towns bordering Israel and Lebanon and Gaza, Palestine, and they started killing the residents that side, you know. So this was unexpected. It took time for the Israeli Defense Forces to counter the attack. Why? Because I believe most of the times when this happens, it's normally because Israel would have done something that side, like attacked them. Because most of the times Israel is hunting down these terrorist organization leaders that side. But this time it looks like Israel did not do anything, like did not attack that side. So that's why they were caught unaware, because they didn't think there was something happening that can make them attack us to this magnitude. So now, before we realized it, rockets were raining all over, only to discover that as rockets were being fired all the way from the border to places like Tel Aviv, where I live, already there were infiltrators that side, attacking residents like on ground. So a lot of people were hurt, and quite a number of people were killed including soldiers. And I understand there are some who were taken hostage into Gaza, like Israeli residents who were taken hostage. So right now we're being told to stay indoors. Like today I didn't go to work. We're being told to stay indoors because as it is right now, the security forces are all over the place trying to locate these people because they are believed to be inside, like central, like where I live, it's in central Tel Aviv. So they are believed to be some of the infiltrators inside here already. So today, tonight, this evening, the Israel Defense Forces is supposed to go to that side, to Gaza, to counterattack. So we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, because if Israel goes there today to bomb Gaza, obviously they would want to retaliate tomorrow or day after, or so. It's going to be a difficult week for all of us here because we don't know what to expect. Yeah, so that's the situation right now. It's a difficult situation, especially after the videos